Welcome to September's Market Update. Leigh, your trusted real estate agent, thought you'd find this information helpful and is ready to answer any questions about the local market. Let's take a look at residential real estate activity in your area during the month of August. The number of active listings was up 7% from 1 year earlier and up 13% from the previous month. As you can see, the median listing price for the month was $550,000. Compared to last year, the average number of days units spent on the market before being sold was up 38%. This higher number of days may signal a slowdown in the local inventory turnover rate. The median sale price was just under $510,000. The number of units sold decreased 25% year over year and increased 1% month over month. Despite a slight annual decrease, this upward monthly sales trend indicates positive momentum. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video helpful as you gather more information to make smart, informed real estate decisions. If you'd like more information or assistance, please click the button on the screen.